So to remove the rear brake pads, first you'll need to remove this bolt with a 12mm spanner, and then you can remove this bolt over here with 14mm spanner or 9x16. There will be some brake fluid leak because of this, but that's okay, you can top it up later. So once you remove these two, you can actually release the brake caliper to remove the brake pads. So I'm going to do that right now. So you got the top bolt out. So I somehow got the brake pads out. These are the new brake pads from DBA. It's Street Series brake pads, brand new ones. It comes obviously with 4 brake pads and grease as well, so that's pretty nice. So now before we install this, we need to push that piston inwards, and before we push the piston inwards, just as in the front, we need to open the brake fluids reservoir cap. That's in the front. Okay, so that's the brake fluid reservoir cap. I'll clean it before opening it. Crack it open a little bit. Just take a plier and just turn this around. Just turn it all the way in. Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. So it's pushed all the way in, and now we can install the new brake pads, hopefully. These are how the new brake pads looks like. So we'll just grease the edges of the brake pad. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. So now we're going to install the brake pads inside the calipers. There should be enough room for it. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. So removing this as well is necessary actually to put the brake pads in. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Forgot to mention that you also need to install a spring on the rear brake pads. So this is that spring. I bought it from the accident vehicle. So we can install it between these two brake pads. So this is how the spring looks like. You can put it at the bottom or at the top. I put it on the top. So just keep pumping it till it becomes firm, and then we'll take it for a spin. So if you notice, you can see the brake light is glowing red. Well, that's normal because we had some brake fluid leak when we were replacing the brake pads at the rear. So we can fix this by just topping up the brake fluid in the brake reservoir. Apart from that, the brakes seem to be working fine, so there's no issue with that. I hope you guys found this DIY informative and useful. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel, and until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't